My name is Anubha Shukla. I am a third year student at Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. And I got my articles published on Live Law and Bar and Bench in my second year. And no, it wasn't because I had some amazing contacts, and it also wasn't because I am a genius legal writer. So the truth is, if you're a law student, you can also do it. So in this video, I will be sharing 3 habits that will completely change the way how you think, understand and read information. And by the end of this video, I am very sure that you will understand how to get your article published. Number 1 is never stop reading newspaper. The biggest mistake I see is that the moment a student clear CLAT, they completely stop reading the newspaper. And this is the exact moment when the newspaper become the most important thing. When you are preparing for CLAT, you are reading it to clear an entrance exam. But once you are in a law school, you are reading it to become a better lawyer and develop the understanding of the work. Every editorial, every constitutional debate, every policy changes, and every international issue help you understand how the real world actually functions. And law isolation में exist नहीं करता है. It exists because the society changes and law society के साथ develop भी होता है और change भी होता है. And newspaper provides you the opportunity to understand and know about the happenings of the world. So do not stop reading the newspaper because newspaper provide information and topics what is happening, and the articles which I got published was based on the recent and the contemporary policy changes that happened at that time. So it is very important to be updated about the changes that is happening around you. Number 2 is read the legal articles and newses from platforms like Live Law, Bar and Bench, and many others. Read it every single day, even if it is just 3, 4, or maybe 5 news or articles a day. Because as a law student, we should not only be knowing what is written in our textbook, we should be knowing what judgment are coming, how the court is interpreting the law, and if you read the legal news and article daily, you will begin to understand the law in action in a better way. You will understand how the judges are applying the provisions that are written in your textbooks and barracks into the real world. Imagine that you studied a BNS or BNSS provision in your class. On the same day, there is a news in the, let's say, Live Law about the application of the particular provision. So, if you read that, you will understand how the judges are actually applying that provision into a real life case scenario. And this is how you will learn the law in action and how the application of the law is in real life. And the provision of the particular topic would not merely be a text in your barrack. Habit number 3 is the habit that will get you a publication. This is where the most students stop. They read, they consume information, and then they move on. And to be honest, I was also one of them. I asked my senior कि मैं सारी information consume कर रही हूँ, but what I am supposed to do with this information. And my senior told me that you have to connect all the information and analyze and develop a legal understanding of what you are reading. So every time you read the information, ask yourself what the court is trying to do. Am I agreeing with this reasoning? How does this connect with something that I read in the last semester? Is this related to something which I read in the newspaper, or it is something related to something which I read in on a website as a legal article? And what is the other interpretation of that? Could here be the other interpretation of this particular information? So once you are critically asking all these questions while reading the information, you develop a habit of analyzing and critically reading the legal news and articles. That's exactly how the legal analysis develops. Start connecting the news you read with the criminal law, newspaper uses an article with the constitutional law, analyze the recent development from the perspective of constitutional law which you have read maybe in your last semester. So ये सारी चीजें हमारा लीगल एनालिसिस को डेवलप करेंगी एंड विच विल हेल्प अस ourselves to understand and apply the law जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं on to the real aspects. द जजेस आर अप्लाइंग, वो तो एक बात हो गई, बट क्या उन्होंने जो एप्लीकेशन किया है लॉ का, it is something which you are agreeing with, and if you are not agreeing with, what is the reason of the disagreement? And अगर तुम agree कर रहे हो but you feel that there has to be the other interpretation of that thing, तो वो क्या होना चाहिए? And all these things comes by asking question while reading and consuming the information. The legal articles and publications are not written by the people who simply know the information. They are written by the people who know how to connect the information. Anyone can summarize a judgment, but only few of the people can explain the why, what, and how behind it. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ये सारी चीजें करने के बाद जो हम हैबिट एंड स्किल डेवलप कर रहे हैं, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द एडिटर्स आर लुकिंग फॉर. Critical information, analysis, and the original content, which is not just dumping of information. क्योंकि information तो सारी जगह available है, but if you are able to analyze it and turn that information into a original piece of work, that is going to get you published. So, friends, if you want to get your article published, stop asking a question that I need to become a better legal writer. You should focus on becoming a better reader. Read newspaper, read articles and newses from websites like Live Law, Bar and Bench, and many more. And connect all these information which you are reading and understand, and question whatever you are reading. Connect ideas, find a topic based on all the information that you have consumed by reading newspaper and other sources, and then research based on the topic. On the topic, build your own perspective. क्योंकि जब हमारी थिंकिंग इम्प्रूव होती है तभी हमारी राइटिंग नेचुरली इम्प्रूव होती है. एंड एक बार हमने एक आर्टिकल, be it a temporary article or maybe the summary or whatever you have read in a bare language, once you are done writing that, find a platform जिसपे तुम्हें publish करना है, guideline देखो उसकी, and then pitch that article to the editor. एडिटर को भेजने के बाद उनका रिप्लाई आता है, एंड देन जो भी चेंजेस होते हैं, दे let you know that whatever changes that you are required to make. But the first and the most important thing is that whatever you are writing, you should be knowing that your idea deserves to be read. So it is important to develop a better understanding of the issue, and your writing will naturally flow from that. So that's it from my end. If this video helped you to understand how to get your article published, like this video, share this with your law school friends, subscribe for the more practical lawful content. If you want the editor's detail, submission guideline, and the exact process I followed that got my article published, there is a number in the description. Send a message on that number to us, and we will share the details with you. Thank you so much.